This is a demonstration of RF Smart for Oracle Cloud. In this demonstration, I'll be showing how easy it can be to transact against a maintenance work order from a mobile device using RF Smart. When a maintenance work order is released, RF Smart can be used to issue materials, charge resources, and complete operations against the work order. So let's take a look. When entering the mobile function, the first thing we need to decide is which work order we want to work on. If the user has a document with the work order number barcoded on it, they could scan it. Or the list button shows a list of maintenance work orders that have been released in Oracle. Once we've provided the work order number, the next thing we need to do is select the operation we intend to work on. If there's only a single operation associated with the work order, this screen will not display. Once we're in the work order, there are a couple of options. First, we can issue materials against the work order. I can either begin scanning my components or select from a list. Since locators are turned on in my supply sub-inventory, I need to tell it exactly where I'm pulling the component from. The second option we have is the ability to charge resources. To charge a resource, the user must know the resource name, quantity, and unit of measure. And last is the option to complete the operation by pressing the Complete Operation button. Once the transaction is complete, we see the success message at the bottom of the device, and the status for the operation is updated to completed.